Hello guys, let's do some unboxing things that I got from my vacation from Hawaii. So it's all chocolate. So we got this from Hawaii. Pistachios. Everything is pistachios or ube or taro. So let's see this one and see. Already opened it, so it'll be more time to do stuff. This is 5% 5 sugar per cup. Oops. Let's see this one. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Very cute. Cute. But let's see if the taste is good. Wow. This one is good. Oh, especially the crunchy on the top. Okay. Good. So this is good. It's kind of like too sweet for me, but still good. 5 grams sugar per cup. Well, next one. I already tried this one. It's a Dubai chocolate. It's really good too. I got some of this. There you go. Milk chocolate. Of course, we love the macadamians. So I got like 5 boxes. And here's one that it's already open. It's almost gone, I think. Oh, look. Only got that left. So let me show it to you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to bite it. Macadamia. It's so good. I'm not a chocolate eater, but I brought it for pasalubong. Okay. Next. This right here is really good, but it's sweet, but it's a ube white chocolate macadamia. Right here. This one is already open. Yeah, still sweet. I need to drink some 1 gallon of water. This just looks good. I love macadamia. That's good. From Hawaii. So, because we're already in Hawaii and I saw this, they have it on sale, I end up getting it. Okay. So, this is another, my favorite. It's always the ube. So I end up getting it. And this is what it looks like. Let's take this out. So let me show it to you. Nope. Oh, there you go. This is good. Pulveron with Goldilocks Sweet Delight Purple Yam. Ube Pulveron. This is probably my favorite out of all of them because it's not that sweet. It's so good. Really good. Okay. And then the rest, they gave me this snack as the at the plane, on the way here or on the way there. It's a snack, one of the snack. I didn't even eat it, but I'll save it for whoever wants it here. See, another macadamian. And I know you can buy this here, but I don't know why I end up getting it there. We got the strawberry mochi. We got the taro. We have some matcha. And the red beans mochi. So, if we want to go ahead and taste it, I think I am willing to taste just the ube one. Because I like ube. See? There you go. Oh no, I don't taste the ube. Maybe? I don't taste the taro. Oh yeah. It's a taro. What I'm talking about. It's not the ube, it's a taro. Two different things, I guess, guys. That's good. A lot. Yummy. Alright. That's it, guys. I'm gonna need to drink a lot of water. This is also sweet. But anyway, that's all I have, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you all again, guys. Bye. God bless everyone.